Nobody tells you this, but when you buy a Ferrari, your brain completely changes.
You start parking as far away as possible. Not just a bit further, I mean away from everyone. No cars, no shopping carts, and even then, you're watching the car the entire time. You start checking the weather constantly. Not just is it raining, but exactly when it might rain. And if it does, the drive is over, you turn around and go home. Puddles? You avoid them. Gravel? You avoid it. Anything that might touch the car, you think about it. Then comes the noise. One small, different sound, and suddenly the drive changes. You're not enjoying it anymore. You're analyzing it, and 5 minutes later, you're diagnosing it on Ferrari Chat. But here's what nobody tells you. This isn't really about the car. It's about what it means to you. You care more, so you notice more. And over time, that changes again.
Well, you do relax, and you do trust it. And eventually, you start to use it the way it's supposed to be. But in the beginning, your brain isn't normal.